Are you tired of your Echo devices announcing whenever they're connecting to something? It gets a little old, and today we've got a really easy way to make it stop, but Amazon doesn't make it obvious to do so. So I actually use a Echo Studio as my speaker for my Fire Stick TV, and every time I power on the Fire Stick, it's got to announce itself.
Playing from John's third Fire TV.
All right, so I do use an Apple phone, an iPhone, and you want to look for your Amazon Alexa app. Open that up, and this was updated in January of 2026, so yours may look different, but look for devices, and you can sort by Echo devices here. If you have a ton of different things, this will help you find it a little faster. I'm looking for my Studio, which is what I'm using for my speaker. Click on that. At the top, you do have a volume, but you want the gear icon up at the top. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find sounds. And then you're going to click on that. And at the top, you've got an equalizer for alarms and notifications. Turn that down to a much more reasonable level. And then as you back out, that'll take effect. And now your whatever you've connected by Bluetooth will not announce itself, or will do so much quieter than it has been in the past. And so that's all it takes. All you've got to do is turn down the actual notification sound. Now, admittedly, if you do a search online, there are a few other ways to do it, including turning on Do Not Disturb or disconnecting it, but none of those seem to be really what we're looking for. What Amazon needs to do is put in a toggle to each device where you can just say, announce when you've connected or not. But until they make that change, this, I think, is the best way to do it. Thanks so much for being here. Thumbs up, leave me a comment below.